Skill sheet number 45, I'm going to be doing a VD radiograph of a bird. So the first thing I'm going to do is get it positioned. I've got my calibrations already set. We're going to do it on tabletop. So I'm going to put a piece of tape across the neck to hold the head in position. Same with I'll make sure the wings are out. The feet will be stretched directly out. And then the tail. And the wings out to the side. You'll use tape in the form of an X to mark the carpus on each wing. My marker, and then I have my lead gloves, my lead apron, my thyroid shield, and my dosimetry badge.